4M to. We're in the 18th floor. Okay, this is a property of Double Dragon. Let me tour you. So, this is a 3-bedroom of condominium. So, this is your living room. Yeah. It's with a high ceiling. Then you have a stairs when you come into your room, to your door. Then, this is your kitchen with a modular and a faucet. And this is your toilet. This unit has only one toilet for everyone. There's another room that you can convert, or you can make it an office with a view. This is the view that you'll be able to see EDSA. Oh, this is Soler. On the other side is going to Quezon City and the mountain view of Sierra Madre. Oh, yan na. Okay. Then, the door goes like this. So, it's a big door. Then, for the laundry area, there's a provision. Oh, yan. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Upstairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Di ko alam po, oro plata mata yun. This is the bedroom, I think. First bedroom on the left. Okay. With the aircon provision. Hindi ng view. Then, another bedroom here. Small bedroom. Single. For single bedroom. Okay. Ang partition nito is wood. So you can, if you like to have one bedroom, pwede mo itumbay ang wall na yan. So this is the 3-bedroom here in Sky Suites Tower. Quezon Avenue. Guys. Penthouse unit. Wow, pagpasok mo. Siya. Meron kang kitchen. May isang room dito. Maid's room, may CR. Okay, so may room ang CR, ang maids. Okay, then, washing room. Okay, then look at this wonderful view. High ceiling. EDSA. Bibili na ni Cheska. Cheska, gusto mo to? Cheska, gusto ni Cheska to. Walang pipigil kay Cheska, guys, BNB, ito. Hagdanan, di kahoy. Sementado. Sementado. Okay, mata mo, Cheska, lalo naman kaya. First room. Pasok mo, malaking room. Then may CR. May walking closet. Maliit, may bathtub. Then second room. Third room. 3 rooms. Nice. Room also rin to. Then another room. Okay, no CR na ang dalawang room. So that's nice na. Cheska, sold. Ganda ng view. Pero kausap namin, contractor, kuya. Kuya, benta mo na, bibili na. Ito, pinakamadaling kausap ng nangyari. Bibenta mo na ba? Okay, SM Mesa here in Santa Mesa in front of SM Center Point Tower 2017. This is the room. It's a 2-unit combined. This is the CR and the washroom. And this is another room and another CR. Okay. So this one room na. Okay, then ito yung sala. May kusina, sala, and another room. Another room to. Ito yung squad, another room to. Okay. Then there's a balcony. Okay, balcony. Then you can see in front is SM Santa Mesa. Okay, SM. Santa Mesa. Okay. This is the Skyway. Okay, this is the view. In 1508, Winston's residence, 2 million, 23 square meters to studio type. Pwedeng Airbnb. Tapos yung parang gagawin mo hotel. Parang isang kama na.
Yung kama na sa gitna. Parang tatanggalin mo lang ito. Ito kasi galing kama na sa kama na galing ito. Pero kung ayaw yung tanggalin, pwede.
Layo mo na ba?
Exa.
Bakit talaga? Limits? Arte ba ng ilong ko? Nakakay.
Oh my God, going there.